Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I've got a bag from Paint Some Way. I've got a couple of diamond paintings here. I'm going to take them out of this bag, give the bag to Motley. Now this one is the new 3D pictures. This is a bigger one than the last one that I got. Now I'm hoping to just I'm going to bring the camera down a little bit so that it doesn't keep trying to autofocus. Might be a bit better. Now these really pop when you've done these ones. If you haven't done these new 3D type ones, I suggest you try them. I'll put a link underneath the video. Now as always, you get everything in the bag that you need. And if you don't be afraid to contact them, because they will send you anything that's missing. And I've only once had something that's missing. Now, I'm going to show you these. You always get, as usual, the little tray with the little pens and thing in it. And look at these for diamonds. Look at these great big diamonds in this. These are beautiful. Now, these 3D ones really pop. Now look at this one. This is a bigger one. Look at this. This is beautiful. Now once you put the diamonds on here, it really lifts this picture up and makes it a beautiful 3D picture. Now this one, I am going to video it. I am going to sit here and I'm going to do this one. Now there's not a lot of diamonds on this picture, but when we put them on, it's really going to make this 3D picture pop up out of that picture. Look, you can see all that shadowing really makes these beautiful. And this is a butterfly. There is a few more in this range. It's got all these beautiful flowers around it, and we definitely see the difference of it like this and then with the diamonds on. Now what you do is you take, here it will say B, and there's going to be a packet in there that is going to represent the B. Once you take it out of there, and all of these ones, this one's a 7, so where are all the number 7s? The number 7s, you just start at the top of your picture and work your way down. Or, because these are so big, you can put all the ones that say B on, then all the ones that say A on, and then just work your way down the picture, putting the diamonds into the corresponding places, and the numbers and the letters. You'll just work your way around this. So with this one, I'm going to video it as I work it. That is beautiful. I'm going to pop that aside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to roll this. I'm going to roll it. I find that rolling them helps to take the creases out. If you roll it up, just push that in. Make it nice and tight and roll it. It helps to smooth it out and take out the creases. And before you work it, just put it under something flat. If you've got a board or even a rug, put it underneath the rug. Put the carpet, the rug on the top of it. Anything with a little bit of weight on it. Or you can put it down on your work surface and put some towels and then some books on it, and that'll help flatten it as well. So what I'm going to do is I've got that rolled up and I'm going to put it back in the bag rolled up. I'm going to put the diamonds in, keep it all together, and that little tray, I'll keep the tray out. Just keep your rolled up project and your diamonds together. Seal it back down nice and tight, and that's going to keep it and help it to stay flat And then you can, if you buy a lot of these, you'll have a lot of these as well. You get the little bit of putty to put into the point of the pen, which sticks to the diamonds and helps you to put them on the sticky surface of this. Now I'm going to show you the next one. Now I've got this one. This one is for my sister's birthday. It's my sister Anne's birthday and she loves doing these. Now, do you remember I told you about the Mad Hatter? There was one that's got Johnny Depp in it as a Mad Hatter, but that one was out of stock when I went to get it. So I've got this one that's the Mad Hatter, because I've already had Alice in Wonderland. Now, look at this. You get all the diamonds. Again, you can see you get a tray. And you get all the diamonds in there. If you've got any that are missing, you just contact them, tell them what the code is that's missing. The code is on these pictures. I'll show you this. Look at this, is beautiful. It's beautiful, very steampunk. If you're into steampunk, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Now that is your code. It will tell you the number, the pack number, the colour, and where you put it on this. Now this is sticky, not round the edge, but the actual picture is really sticky, this one. This is what's called a full drill. That other butterfly is a partial drill. Partial drill means that it's not full of diamonds. This is a full drill. That means every single space will get a diamond, and it's got a code. You can see there, this whole picture is all letters and numbers, and you'll follow it. Now look at this, the size of this one. Oh, I didn't tell you the size of the other one. This one is a 40 by 70. Did I roll that up and leave the size out? I have. I think that one's a 30 by 30. I think the other one's a 30 by 30, or it's a 40 by 40. I think the other one's 40 by 40. This one is 40 by 70. 40 centimetres by 70 centimetres. And it is so pretty. Look at that. That'll keep you going for quite a while. And it's beautiful. It's got the colour list. It's actually got 2 of the colour list. It's the same. And that's what your picture should look like when it's finished. It's like a steampunk Alice in Wonderland with the Cheshire Cat up here on the hat. She's wearing one of the Mad Hatter's hat. Oh, she's a female Mad Hatter. Beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. But again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it, and I'll put the links underneath the video. I'll put the links to the website, and again I'm going to roll this tight from the bottom. Just roll it in nice and tight. Put that together with that, and I'm going to put it all together so it's all in the one place, and I'm going to keep it all together like that. So that is just a quick little video of what I've been getting from Paint Some Way recently. Thank you. I'll leave the links underneath the video for these 2 products. Go and have a look at these 3D ones. Have a look at these 3D ones. They're absolutely amazing, and they're new. So watch out for the video in this one. And this one I'm giving to my sister when her birthday's coming up in a couple of weeks' time. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.